Kalabahaya, part two. Man, that other little video flew right by me, man, went fast. I ain't told y'all peace and blessings over and out. Come back to me, fam. Subscribe, like, and share. I was just talking away. Yeah, right here, man. To me, the video was kind of, not lengthy long. I know y'all might want to relax and watch it, but for us, me, I like to speed up the process instead of boring y'all with the long video. Some of y'all like to relax and watch it anyway to entertain y'allself, but I just speed it up so y'all can see. It won't take too long, but as I was doing earlier when the video had cut off, by the way, I was shoving the dirt in a pot. That's what I was doing. Like earlier in the part one of the video, I was shoving the dirt in a pot to make it even. And the last clip that you saw was me putting it in the pot and how much room I had on each side of the pot and at the bottom. But anyway, this is the process too as well. What you're supposed to do is fill in the dirt. Basically, that's the only video I'm just really showing you. I'm just filling in the dirt. And I speed up the video for a minute. Look at me waste dirt, man. I ain't like that, man. That's my own little customized dirt I done made. I done wasted dirt on the ground. But some people water their dirt so it could settle. I just push mine down with my hand, and as I see it settle and a little later, I just add more dirt to it. But that's what I'm doing. So this the process right here. Shout out to Tropical of Arizona. He's showing me the way how to do it. He inspired me. Waste that dirt again, man. Come on, bro. But anyway, yeah, he inspired me to do mine, so that's what I'm doing. So add my little dirt. And I was like I told him in the comment, no, you ain't crazy for putting your bird of paradise in a bigger pot and a big old tall bird of paradise in your patio. No, you're not crazy. It's normal, homeboy. To the tropical oasis, pot heads and plant heads and the hobbyists out there, we not crazy. We just relaxing. So leave us alone. But yeah, you just pat the dirt down, trying to avoid the air pockets, and I'm just sizing it up, checking out. It look good, man. It look good. And right now I'm trying to adjust it, make sure it's straight. Make sure it's straight, because it look kind of crooked to me, but my wife said it was straight, so I'm just looking at it and I make sure it's straight and patting it down, put the dirt down, pack the dirt down. And as you notice, this one pot alone took up a lot of dirt. Cause think about it, this was 55 gallons garbage can of it. 55 gallons, bro. It's crazy. And look all that dirt I done used already just to put in that pot. But yep, that's what I'm doing. A little sweat equity, but it pays off. The beauty pays off. The beauty pays off, man. But that's what we're doing. Relaxing myself, doing my thing, chilling in the backyard. This is my chill zone. Set my little spot with my little oasis spot. I can kick back, prop my feet, go to sleep, take a nap, relax, watch the birds. You know what I mean? My little getaway to the getaway at my own home. That's good to have, man. Set up your getaway in your own home. Like your vacation at your own home. Relax at your own home. You know what I mean? And that's what you should do for yourself. If you are a hard-working person with your sweat equity at the job or whatever you do, your own business, man, set yourself up, man. You can relax at your house and you can just chill, But back to the conversation on hand of what I'm doing. I'm setting it up and I'm almost finished, people. I'm almost finished. Just in case this video here cut off, I'm going to tell you peace and blessings now and enjoy the rest of your time and your day. That's going to get that out the way because the last video lay up there and clean off on me when I was running my mouth and talking. And I ain't like that. I gotta watch my timeline. I gotta watch my schedule. I gotta watch the minutes as it go by while I'm editing these videos, man. Like I say, I'm rookie of the year. But I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. But, yep. It look good, fam. It look good. I think at the end of the video, I should show you the final results. But, I'm patting it down. Make sure I don't have no air pockets. Everything looking good, looking smooth. That's about it. And if you look at it also as well, the bird of paradise had grown 2 pups. I call them pups. On the side, I got 2 more bird of paradise. I could have split it if I wanted to, but I didn't want to do that. Cutting on the roof, stress it out. I saw the scene on one of the videos. Nothing wrong with it when you Google about bird of paradise in the search bar, how they split their bird of paradise. But as you saw me wave my hand, that's it. I'm done. I'm comparing the pots. The red pot, smaller to the big one. That's a big transfer, huh? That's something else right there. But that's it, people. That's it. Man, look like this video is almost over. Look how much dirt I did, man. Look how much dirt I took out. That's crazy, huh? Yeah, that's crazy. But that's it. The final results. Now you about to see me just spiced up a little bit so it could keep some more moist in. As it don't rain, sometimes get some dry spells. I'm adding that mulch. Adding the mulch. Adding that black mulch. My signature pad on my black mulch. That's it. That's the final result. The video about to be over and out. But yeah, I got the part 1 and this the part 2. Right here. How I repotted my bird of paradise in the big pot. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the likes. And you can share. You can voice your comment. Teach me some pointers. We can kick it. We can talk as a community. You know what I mean? It's all good. Bad, good, no matter. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's a wrap. It's done. Yeah, it took me a minute. It took me about 15 minutes or so according to the video. But yeah, I just speeded it up. But yeah, that's it right there, y'all. It's over. So now, since I caught it at the end, I'm glad I did. Now I'm about to shout out to you. Peace and blessings, fam. You enjoy the rest of your day. Stay tuned for the next videos on hand of all my projects are going on in the backyard. Yeah, but always remember, kick back and make your house your vacation. Just like you get away on your vacation, make your home your vacation too. Over and out. Peace.